It doesn't matter how I'm feeling on any given day. Every rev in this car ignites a passion for driving. Joking me, bro. I know you like that. I know you like that so good. Please, why is this bug going left? Oh my freaking gosh, bro. No, bro, he could suck toes, bro. I'm not going that way, bro. These need to get out my freaking way, dude. Oh my gosh, bro. Woo. Sick and tired of these box trucks, to be honest with you. To be completely fair, box trucks need a box truck lane. Nah, frick that, bro. I'm passing, bro. I don't give a frick, bro. Woo! I should blast through this neighborhood, but you know what? I'm a respectable gentleman who never breaks any laws or disturbs the peace in any way. What the fuck? Woo. Never gonna get out of traffic, bro. I'm sick of traffic, bro. Like, look at this nonsense. Look at this nonsense. Take in this buffooliganism. Oh my. Is that a cop? Ooh, okay. Hey, man. Chill. It was the Prius. Prius was the left lane culprit. Who's surprised? And that's why I've been afraid to bang gears, man. I don't know why. It keeps locking me out at second. Tesla, bro. Aren't those supposed to be fast? Again, locking me out a second, bro. Why? I think I might need a new clutch. Want to turn the way. Guess I'm going straight. Guess I'm going straight. time, bro. Why do I keep getting stuck behind traffic, bruh? And it's the slowest traffic. Can't bang second. That's, I know it. If you guys keep hearing rattling, that's this freaking shifter, man. I don't understand. I didn't install it, by the way. It came with the car. I gotta find another one. Look at this dingus. Gosh, bro, go, bro.